Hey there. Welcome back to Growing Mindset, your go-to spot for smart money moves and financial freedom tips. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of stressing about money? Imagine a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in this video, we're breaking down the top 3 investments you need to make today to secure your financial future and never worry about money again. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're proven strategies the wealthy have been using for decades. Whether you're just starting out or you've been on the financial grind for years, there's something here for everyone. So grab a cup of coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Section 1. Investing in the stock market. Why the stock market is a game changer. The stock market is like the heartbeat of wealth creation. It's been the cornerstone of many fortunes, and it's something anyone can tap into with the right knowledge. Use relatable examples, such as how $100 invested in the S&P 500 years ago could grow significantly today. Start with index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs are great for beginners. They're low-risk, diversified, and require minimal management. Plus, they've historically delivered solid returns over time. The power of compound interest. Think of it as a snowball effect. The earlier you invest, the larger your wealth grows over time. Example: if you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, by the time you're 65, you could have over $1 million, assuming a 7% annual return. Action steps. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood make it easy to start investing with as little as $50. No excuses. Get started today. Section 2. Real estate investments. Why real estate is a gold mine. Real estate isn't just for the ultra-rich. It's one of the most reliable ways to build wealth thanks to appreciation and rental income. The rental property route. Owning rental properties is like setting up your own money machine. Each month, tenants pay rent, and you build equity in the property. It's a win-win. Crowdfunding options for beginners. Don't have enough for a down payment? Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest in real estate with as little as $500. You can own a slice of major projects without breaking the bank. Action steps. Research local markets or look into real estate investment trusts, REITs, if you want a hands-off approach. The key is to get started, no matter the scale. Section 3. Investing in yourself. Why you are your greatest asset. No investment beats investing in yourself. Your skills, knowledge, and network will always give the highest ROI. Education and skill development. Take courses, attend workshops, or get certifications in high-demand fields. The more you learn, the more you earn. Example: a $1,000 coding bootcamp could land you a job paying $80,000 a year. That's an insane ROI. Building a side hustle. Starting a side hustle, whether it's freelancing, blogging, or e-commerce, can create an additional income stream that grows over time. Networking and personal branding. They say your network is your net worth. Attend networking events, build your LinkedIn profile, and connect with industry leaders. Action steps. Write down 3 skills or goals you want to achieve in the next year. Break them into actionable steps and commit to them. Your future self will thank you. All right, let's recap. The 3 investments that can set you up for life are the stock market for long-term growth, real estate for steady passive income, and investing in yourself for unlimited earning potential. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's about consistent, smart decisions over time. If this video inspired you to take action, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs this advice, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing financial tips. Which of these 3 investments will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.